Welcome to the first episode in our series on magnetic marketing. Are you tired of the same old outbound marketing tactics? Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of inbound marketing, the customer-centric approach that's taking the marketing world by storm. We'll break down the differences between inbound and outbound marketing, uncover the secrets of creating a successful inbound strategy, and provide you with valuable resources, all of which can be found in the description. Stay with us and learn how to attract customers organically, build long-term relationships, and set clear, achievable goals for your business. Inbound marketing was born out of a need for a more customer-centric approach to marketing. With the increasing number of marketing messages bombarding consumers daily, traditional outbound marketing tactics such as cold calling, print ads, and television commercials began to lose their effectiveness. This led to the development of inbound marketing, an approach focused on attracting customers organically through valuable content rather than interrupting them with unsolicited marketing messages. The term inbound marketing was coined by HubSpot co-founders Brian Halligan and Dharmesh Shah in 2006. Their vision was to create a marketing methodology centered around providing helpful, relevant content to customers, guiding them through the buyer's journey, and fostering long-term relationships. The primary difference between inbound and outbound marketing lies in their approach to connecting with customers. The following information has been broken down into point-counterpoint. Attraction versus interruption. Inbound marketing focuses on attracting customers to your brand through valuable, engaging content, while outbound marketing interrupts potential customers with unsolicited messages, hoping to capture their attention. Permission versus disruption. Inbound marketing relies on earning a customer's interest and permission to communicate with them. Outbound marketing, on the other hand, disrupts their daily lives with uninvited marketing messages. Two-way communication versus one-way broadcast. Inbound marketing encourages two-way communication and fosters relationships with customers by engaging them through interactive content and social media. Outbound marketing is a one-way broadcast with businesses sending out messages to a broad audience without encouraging interaction. Long-term relationships versus short-term sales. Inbound marketing aims to create lasting relationships with customers by addressing their needs and pain points. Outbound marketing often focuses on generating short-term sales without considering the long-term value of nurturing customer relationships. Inbound marketing is built on 4 key pillars, which we will now take a look at. Pillar 1 is attraction. Draw in potential customers by creating high-quality, informative content tailored to their needs, interests, and preferences. Pillar 2 is conversion. Once you've attracted visitors to your website, convert them into leads through compelling calls to action, landing pages, and lead magnets. Pillar 3 is closure. Nurture your leads and guide them through the buyer's journey, ultimately closing the sale and converting them into customers. And Pillar 4 is delight. Continue to provide value to your customers even after they've made a purchase, fostering long-term loyalty and turning them into brand advocates. All right, buckle up because it's time to dive into the nitty-gritty of crafting a killer inbound marketing strategy. We're going to explore how to set clear goals, get inside the heads of your target audience, and map out a customer journey that will keep them coming back for more. We have taken this information and broken it down into 5 steps. Step 1, setting SMART goals. First things first, let's talk about goals. But not just any goals, we're talking about SMART goals. Setting SMART goals is a popular and effective approach to goal setting that emphasizes creating objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting SMART goals, you can create clear, actionable objectives that are tailored to your unique needs and circumstances. This structured approach to goal setting not only helps you stay focused and motivated, but also increases your chances of success by ensuring that your goals are well-defined, realistic, and aligned with your overarching vision. Let's break down each component of a SMART goal to better understand their importance. Your SMART goal must be specific. A specific goal is one that is clearly defined and unambiguous. It answers the 5 W's questions of who, what, when, where, and why. Setting specific goals helps you understand exactly what you're aiming for and eliminates any confusion or vagueness. For example, instead of setting a goal like increase website traffic, you could say increase website traffic by 25% in the next 6 months. Your SMART goal must be measurable. A measurable goal is quantifiable and includes metrics or criteria that allow you to track progress and determine when the goal has been achieved. Measurable goals help you stay motivated and focused, as they enable you to see your accomplishments and adjust your strategies if necessary. For instance, increase the number of newsletter subscribers can be made measurable by adding from 500 to 1,000 subscribers. Your SMART goal must be achievable. An achievable goal is realistic, taking into account your available resources, constraints, and capabilities. Setting achievable goals ensures that you're not setting yourself up for failure or creating unnecessary frustration. When defining your goals, consider factors such as time, budget, and skill set to ensure that you're setting objectives that can be reasonably accomplished. Your SMART goal must be relevant. A relevant goal is one that aligns with your broader objectives, values, and long-term vision. Relevant goals ensure that your efforts are focused on what truly matters and contribute to your overall success. When setting goals, ask yourself whether the objective is worthwhile, whether it's the right time to pursue it, and whether it's in line with your other priorities. And lastly, your SMART goal must be time-bound. A time-bound goal has a clear deadline or time frame by which it should be achieved. Setting a deadline creates a sense of urgency, keeps you accountable, and helps you prioritize your tasks. Time-bound goals also enable you to track your progress and make adjustments to your strategies if needed. For example, increase social media followers by 50% within 3 months. Step 2. Unleashing your buyer personas. Now that we have our goals in place, let's get to know the VIPs of our inbound marketing strategy. And this is where we create our buyer personas. These are fictional representations of your ideal customers, complete with names, backgrounds, goals, and pain points. Think of them as your marketing BFFs. They'll help you understand your audience better, create super targeted content, and charm the socks off your prospects. To create your buyer personas, gather all the data you can from customer surveys to social media insights and build a detailed profile for each persona. Remember, the more you know about them, the more tailored and effective your inbound marketing efforts will be. Step 3. Mapping the buyer's journey. Now that we're best buds with our buyer personas, it's time to plan their epic journey through your inbound marketing wonderland. The buyer's journey consists of 3 stages. Stage 1 is awareness. Our lovely prospects realize they have a problem, but they don't know much about it yet. So you may ask, what's my mission in this journey? Well, your mission is simple. You need to create content that educates them and positions your brand as a trusty guide. Stage 2 is consideration. And now the plot thickens. Your prospects are now aware of their problem and are actively looking for solutions. Time to showcase how your product or service can save the day. Stage 3 is decision. This is it, the final showdown. Your prospects are ready to make a purchase, and it's up to you to seal the deal with persuasive content, social proof, and a can't-resist offer. Keep these stages in mind as you create your inbound marketing content, and you'll have your prospects hooked from start to finish. Step 4. Selecting your content mix. All right, it's time to choose your weapons, and by weapons, we mean content formats. From blog posts and e-books to webinars and videos, there's a whole world of content types waiting to be explored. Don't be shy. Mix and match them to keep things fresh and exciting. Just remember to always keep your buyer personas and their preferences in mind. Step 5. Creating a content calendar. A well-organized content calendar is essential for maintaining consistency and ensuring that your inbound marketing strategy stays on track. By planning your content ahead of time, you can ensure that you're addressing all stages of the buyer's journey and providing valuable, relevant information to your target audience. Here's how you can create an effective content calendar for your inbound marketing efforts. Determine your content goals. Before creating your content calendar, take a moment to define your content goals. These goals should align with your overall inbound marketing strategy and may include increasing website traffic, generating leads, boosting engagement, or establishing thought leadership. Identify your target audience. Knowing your target audience is crucial for creating content that resonates with them. Develop buyer personas to gain a better understanding of your audience's needs, pain points, and preferences. This will help you create content that appeals to your target audience and drives results. Choose your content types. Based on your goals and target audience, decide on the types of content you'll create. This may include blog posts, social media updates, ebooks, videos, podcasts, webinars, or infographics. Aim for a mix of content formats to keep your audience engaged and cater to different preferences. Map out content themes. Organize your content around specific themes or topics that align with your audience's interests and your business objectives. This will help you create a cohesive content plan that effectively addresses your audience's needs and guides them through the buyer's journey. Set a publishing frequency. Determine how often you'll publish content across various channels. Consider factors such as your resources, audience preferences, and industry best practices when deciding on a publishing schedule. Remember that consistency is crucial for maintaining audience engagement and building trust. Create a content calendar template. Use a spreadsheet, project management tool, or specialized content calendar software to create a template for organizing your content plan. Include columns for content titles, descriptions, target keywords, due dates, and publication dates. You can also include additional information such as target audience, content format, and performance metrics. Plan and schedule your content. Fill in your content calendar with your planned content, ensuring that you're addressing all stages of the buyer's journey and covering your chosen themes or topics. Schedule your content in advance to maintain consistency and avoid last-minute scrambles. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your content calendar and make adjustments as needed. Monitor the performance of your published content to identify what's working and what needs improvement. Use this data to inform your future content planning and optimize your inbound marketing efforts. In the description, you will find links for the following resources to assist you in your marketing endeavors. Resources for creating a content calendar, such as Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. These versatile spreadsheet tools can be used to create a simple, customizable content calendar template. Trello or Monday, these are project management tool that allows you to create boards, lists, and cards to organize your content planning and collaboration. And Asana, another project management tool with a calendar view, which makes it easy to plan, schedule, and track your content. And we have finally arrived at step 6, which is measuring and tweaking. Last but definitely not least, keep a close eye on your inbound marketing performance. Track your KPIs, analyze your results, and don't be afraid to make tweaks and adjustments as needed. Remember, a great inbound marketing strategy is all about learning, growing, and evolving, so embrace the process. That's a wrap on our deep dive into inbound versus outbound marketing and how to craft a killer inbound marketing strategy. Don't forget to check out the resources mentioned in this video, which can be found in the description below. If you found this information valuable, please hit the likes button and subscribe to our channel for more in our series on magnetic marketing, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. See you in the next video, and remember, keep attracting and delighting your customers.